All right, let's jump into the countdown. We're starting from number 8 and working our way to the biggest blunder at number 1. These aren't just random tips. These are based on real rules for major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian, designed to keep everyone safe and the ship running smoothly. For each one, I'll explain what the item is, why it's banned, and how to steer clear. Trust me, avoiding these will make you look like a pro from day one. Number 8, bringing irons or clothes steamers. You know those handy little devices you use at home to zap wrinkles out of your outfits? Well, on a cruise ship, they're a big no-no. Why? Fire hazard, plain and simple. Cruise ships are floating cities with thousands of people, and anything with a heating element could spark a blaze in those tight quarters. Most lines, like Disney Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean, explicitly prohibit them because they've seen too many close calls. Instead, pack wrinkle-resistant clothes or use the ship's laundry services. They often have irons available in self-service laundromats or offer pressing for a small fee. Pro tip: roll your clothes instead of folding to minimize creases. This mistake might seem minor, but getting your steamer confiscated at embarkation can start your trip on a sour note, and nobody wants that.